This here is great. It is comfortable. You put it in the microwave, it depends, like 36, 37 seconds. Watch it at first, but it doesn't stay hot very long. After about 7 or 9 minutes, it starts to die down the heat. And other than that, I mean, it's super soft. This does unzipper. You could take the thing out if you want, but I put the whole thing in the microwave. Put the whole thing in the microwave. So I recommend this because it's great. I just wish it stayed hot longer, but you can, just, reheat it. So I really do like this, and I definitely need this.